Hey guys, welcome back to Sporty Affairs. Myself Narendra and with me Mithilesh. And today we are going to talk about the second semi-final, which will be played between PSG and Manchester City. This match will be played in Paris, so home for Paris Saint-Germain, and it will be interesting fixture. Let's talk about this fixture in detail. So Mithilesh, what do you think? How PSG will line up in this match?
So PSG surprised everybody by knocking out, the champions Bayern Munich in the last round. And Neymar said that, we have now knocked out the champions now, and so now it's the time to beat the champions. So that is the interesting thing which Neymar predicted. But I think the Pochettino is doing a great job at PSG. I mean, having come in the team and, making them play, he imposed his philosophy on the team. And Neymar, Di Maria, Icardi, they are playing amazing. Even Keane is chipping in with goals. So from the attack perspective, Man City will have their task cut out. Like, I know they are a very mean defense, Man City, but this attack, I mean, Guardiola will need to seriously work on the defense, because if one of them is having a bad day, these guys can punish you all day, all night. So that is one thing which I feel PSG has in abundance. That's attackers, which most definitely Man City are lacking this year. And secondly, the midfield is also very strong for PSG, plus the defense. Like, it's very hard to find any flaws. Even the match which they lost against Bayern at home by the score of 1-0, even in that match they could have killed off the game in the first half itself. So finishing let them down a little bit, but they have been lethal in the league. They were surprisingly, they were very back few weeks ago, but now they have stepped up their game, and now they are in chance to win the league as well. So the last year's finalist will definitely want to book their place in this year's final as well. That's what I feel, and I am rooting more towards PSG on this fixture. So what do you think, Narendra?
I think Manchester City will put on a great show. They are going away. They will, as we all know, that Pep Guardiola overthinks his strategy. He will put on a really good show in this match. Defensively, they will be stronger than ever. Mostly, you will see Cancelo instead of Walker on the right hand side. Their central defense is fixed. I think Laporte and Diaz will definitely feature in this contest, and their midfield and forward line will definitely be attackers. Last time we saw against Bayern Munich, PSG were just sitting behind, letting them soaking up all the pressure. They were like 50, 60 shots fired by Bayern side and still coping up with the pressure. I think Pochettino has a history against Pep, that he has beaten Manchester City in his previous fixture in the quarter final when he was managing Tottenham Hotspur. So definitely that thing will also be in mind of Manchester City manager Pep Guardiola, that they have beaten Mauricio Pochettino has beaten him once before, so it can happen twice. But I think Manchester City, if they played out this match well, means the away fixture well, they will be in a good situation when they will come back into the fixture for it at Etihad. So I'm rooting towards Manchester City. Let's see what happens.
So in this video, we discussed about the strengths of PSG and Manchester City and what are the areas, the opposition team will have to be worried about. So our prediction is kind of split as was in our last video between Real Madrid and Chelsea. So let's see who get the bragging rights in these two fixtures. That's it from us, guys. See you next time.